Okay guys, today we got a package from Redneck Garage, RNG Performance, and this is the UNI Foam Filter for the Uforce 1000. So this is a reusable, cleanable oil filter. So this will be perfect. Perfect timing. I'm at 800 kilometers and the OEM filter is pretty rough looking, so we will get that oiled up and get that installed. So I already took a screwdriver and loosened off the ring that's around the air filter, so we're just going to pull that off. Okay, so we got the license plate bracket free, so now we're just going to pull the cotter pin and then we can put this thing all the way back. Here, this is just nice because now you got a lot more room to work in here. So if we had this bracket on, it would end up hitting against the tire and you can't actually open the bed all the way. So as you can see, airbox pretty dirty, so we'll just get that cleaned up and then we'll oil up and get the new air filter on. Okay, so I got the airbox all nice and clean. Also cleaned each side here. So yeah. We were at 850 kilometers. Here's the air filter, the OEM one. Pretty dirty. Not terrible, but definitely needed to be replaced or cleaned. Say hi to the camera. And this one was dirty too, but it's all nice and clean now. So we'll just get this on. Okay, so we got the UNI air filter from RNG Performance. So what we'll do is we'll just get this oil. It doesn't really matter what air filter oil you use. So what we'll want to do is just spray a healthy amount on it and then just work it into the filter itself. So we're just going to work in the oil. Make sure we get a somewhat even coat. Now the other UNI filters, I noticed the outside comes off and then you can oil the inside and the outside, but this one does not. It's all one piece, so we're just going to try to get that oil as deep as possible. Okay, so we're good, so we will get this installed. Here we go, we got it all in and fits perfectly, which is why I just went to RNG to get the right UNI filter because a lot of them don't fit properly. Yeah, so it's oiled up, tightened, everything's all good. So yeah, there it is, pretty straightforward, and you know, in the long run it'll save you a lot of money over buying OEM paper ones, so not too bad. Anyway, have a good one.